Welcome back to ModShapes. I'm Alex Steele, and today I'm going to show you a run-through of how I made a set of coasters, a holder to fit them in, and created a unique flair for each set, as well as a fun and interesting subset of design contained within each coaster set. Let's get started. Each complete set, including coasters and rack, probably took about 24 hours to complete. And then, in addition to that, there was curing time, resin, and paint. But to make gifts for people that I love, and to make each one unique to the personality of the person I'm giving it to, is priceless to me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you really like it. If you like what we're doing, make sure to subscribe, and there'll be more project videos coming out soon. Usually there's a lot more going on with the how-to or the step-by-step, but because these were gifts, that wasn't the case this time. For a future reference, I'll probably do another video, a brief video showing a few more steps on how to do these racks. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that, and hit the notification bell. I'll catch you on the next one.